Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Imagine a world where your workday is defined not by what you do, but by how technology assists you in doing it. Welcome to the future of work. As we stand on the brink of this transformative era, it's essential to understand the evolution and impact of automation on our professional lives. From the steam engines of the Industrial Revolution to the sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms that now guide decision-making, the journey has been profound. Automation began as a means to enhance manufacturing processes, but has since seeped into every conceivable sector, heralding a shift from manual to intellectual labor. This transition is not merely about replacing human hands with machine precision, but about enhancing human intellect and creativity with computational power. Today, the tools we use are smarter, our tasks more complex, and the skills required more nuanced. The focus has subtly shifted from performing repetitive tasks to engaging in dynamic, problem-solving activities that require a deep understanding and innovative thinking. As we delve deeper, let's explore how this shift is not just reshaping jobs, but the very fabric of our industries. Efficiency, productivity, innovation. These are the pillars of automation. When we speak of automation, we speak of a paradigm shift in how we work, how we live, and how we shape our future. Imagine a world where machines take over mundane tasks, freeing us to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. That's the promise of automation. Let's consider a few sectors where this is already a reality. In manufacturing, automation has revolutionized production lines. Robots now perform repetitive tasks with precision and speed, reducing human error and increasing output. This surge in productivity has not only optimized operations, but also led to significant cost savings for businesses. In healthcare, automation has been a game changer. Automated laboratory tests provide quicker and more accurate results, enabling timely diagnosis and treatment. Robotic surgery, though still in its infancy, promises unprecedented precision, potentially reducing complications and improving patient outcomes. In finance, automation has streamlined processes, reducing human error and fraud. Algorithms now perform complex calculations in seconds, making financial transactions more efficient and reliable. Robo-advisors, powered by artificial intelligence, provide personalized investment advice, democratizing access to financial planning. Beyond these sectors, automation has the potential to foster innovation by enabling new products and services. Artificial intelligence, a key driver of automation, is not just about mimicking human intelligence. It's about augmenting it, enhancing our capabilities, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From self-driving cars to voice-activated personal assistants, AI is transforming our lives in ways we could barely imagine a few decades ago. But it's not just about the technology. It's about the people. Automation has the potential to enhance human lives, not replace them. By taking over routine tasks, it allows us to focus on what we do best, creating, innovating, and making a difference in the world. While these advancements signal progress, they also bring to light new challenges that we must address. As we embrace the benefits of automation, we must also confront the ethical, social, and economic implications it brings. But that's a topic for our next scene. Stay tuned. But what happens to the human element when machines take over? In the bustling age of automation, where robots and artificial intelligence streamline operations, the shadows cast by these technological marvels grow long and dark, particularly over the workforce. As machines assume roles ranging from manufacturing to complex decision-making, certain sectors find themselves at a higher risk of job displacement. Manufacturing, transportation, and even service industries witness a seismic shift as automated systems offer precision and efficiency that human labor cannot match. However, this shift brings to the fore a pressing challenge: the widening skills gap. As traditional roles evaporate, there emerges an urgent need for reskilling and upskilling. The workforce must pivot, not just in terms of acquiring new technical skills, but also in adapting to more sophisticated job roles that demand a deeper understanding of technology. This transition is not just about learning to code or operate new machinery, it's about developing a mindset that embraces continual learning and adaptability. The psychological impact of this shift cannot be overstated. For many, job insecurity becomes a constant companion, leading to stress and anxiety. The fear of becoming obsolete or the strain of continually adapting to new and evolving job demands can take a significant toll on mental health. This stress is not confined to individuals alone. It ripples across families and communities, altering the social fabric. Moreover, if not addressed, widespread unemployment from automation could exacerbate societal inequalities. As high-skill workers thrive in a new economy, those with obsolete skills may find themselves not just jobless, but also marginalized. This disparity could lead to increased social tension and a fragmentation of the sense of community, as the gap between the technologically affluent and the technologically displaced widens. These challenges necessitate a robust response, not just from businesses, but from governments and societies. The path forward must include comprehensive strategies for education and training, support systems for mental health, and policies that ensure the equitable distribution of technology's benefits. Only then can we harness the full potential of automation without leaving anyone behind. Flexibility is the new watchword in the work environment. In recent years, the gig economy and remote work have surged forward, largely propelled by advances in automation and technology. This shift offers remarkable benefits. It enhances work-life balance, allowing individuals to tailor their work schedules to personal needs. Moreover, it opens up opportunities in a global job market, where talent is no longer bound by geographical constraints. However, this new way of working is not without its challenges. The nature of gig work often means less job security and fewer benefits compared to traditional full-time employment. Workers may find themselves without the safety net of unemployment insurance or health benefits, which are typically provided by more conventional employment arrangements. Additionally, while remote work can reduce commuting stress and increase productivity, it can also lead to feelings of isolation and disconnect from a community of peers. The lack of physical interaction with coworkers can impact team dynamics and individual motivation. This new flexibility also redefines the traditional employer-employee relationship, demanding a fresh look at the social contract. With great power comes great responsibility. As we navigate through the transformative waves of automation, ethical considerations are at the forefront of this technological evolution. One of the most pressing issues is privacy. In an age where data is as valuable as currency, how do we ensure that automated systems respect individual privacy and do not infringe upon personal freedoms? Another critical aspect is algorithmic bias. These biases can perpetuate and even exacerbate existing inequalities if left unchecked. It is essential to implement rigorous testing and oversight to ensure that algorithms do not discriminate based on race, gender, or socioeconomic status. The development of ethical AI is crucial. This involves creating algorithms that are not only efficient, but also transparent and accountable. It's about integrating values of fairness and justice into the very code that may one day manage much of our lives. Turning to policy responses, a variety of strategies have been proposed to address the challenges posed by automation. Universal basic income is one such policy, offering a potential safety net for those whose jobs are displaced by machines. Additionally, labor market reforms could incentivize the creation of new job categories that complement automated systems. Furthermore, targeted education and training programs are vital. These initiatives should focus on equipping the workforce with skills that are in demand in the new automated economy, such as complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and technological literacy. It's imperative that policy keeps pace with technology, ensuring that automation benefits all segments of society. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's time to reflect. We've explored how automation could elevate efficiency and spur innovation, yet it also presents formidable challenges like job displacement and profound ethical questions. The landscape of work is transforming, with the gig economy and remote work reshaping our approach to careers and life balance. The future of work is a mosaic of challenges and opportunities, and it's up to us to assemble the pieces wisely.
Let's learn new words and practice English at a proficient level. Automation. Automation, the use or introduction of automatic equipment in a manufacturing or other process or facility. Example, automation in industries like manufacturing and retail is rapidly increasing, reducing the need for human labor in routine tasks. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. Example, AI is transforming the workplace by performing complex tasks with greater accuracy and efficiency than traditional methods. Displacement. Displacement, the involuntary departure of workers from their jobs due to factors such as automation or outsourcing. Example, one major challenge of automation is the displacement of workers, particularly in sectors highly susceptible to technological changes. Skill gap. Skill gap, the difference between the skills required for a job and the skills possessed by the workforce. Example, the rapid pace of technological advancement is creating a skill gap, as many workers find their skills outdated or irrelevant. Res-killing. Res-killing, learning new skills so you can do a different job, or training people to do a different job. Example, res-killing initiatives are crucial to help displaced workers adapt to new job environments in the age of automation.